1.3 million new applications were submitted for new businesses in the third quarter of year 2021 only in USA. There are many easy creative services that you can offer to these small businesses and make a lot of money just working on your laptop from home. In this video, I will tell you how you can provide consulting services to small businesses just working from home. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, my name is Ahmad Azam and I'm in this online business since last 4 years and help many individuals and companies take their business online. And on my YouTube channel, I mostly share tips and tricks that will help you to start your online business. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button below this video. And if you want to start your consulting business online, you can join my free masterclass by clicking the link in the description. Okay, so in this video, I will be covering how you can approach talented small businesses, what are the best services you can provide them, and how you can charge higher price to them. So firstly, you have to understand that what are the challenges these small businesses are facing and how you can help them. One of the common challenge that all small businesses face is sales. Somehow, when a company is just getting started, we have to bring the company into profit, and for that, we have to increase the sales. So you can help them increase their sales, and how you can help them increase their sales is by online marketing. So selling is the world's highest paid profession. So if you learn how to increase sales of any company, this will be the best profession that you will have. So the next thing is that you can help them find good employees, and the next skill you can learn is management, because they also face management issue. And then there is balancing quality and growth, and then there is business strategy. So what you have to do is you have to choose only one category where you can help these businesses, and you have to gain skills in that category. Let's suppose you are deciding to improve their sales. Just choose this category and start to learn online marketing and other ways how you can actually increase their sales. So what is the best skill to master? One of the best skill to master is, as I already mentioned, that selling is the world highest paid profession. And what you can do is you can start to learn online marketing to improve sales. And the other thing you can learn is website strategy. Nowadays, website is important for all of the businesses, but very few businesses know that how to apply the right strategy on the website in order to convert the visitors into sales and to attract more visitors from the internet. So most of the businesses have websites, they have good websites, designs are good, all of the things are good, but the strategy is not right. So if you will learn online marketing strategies, that how you have to convert the people into sales and how you have to bring more people towards the website, then this is one of the best skill you can learn, and you can provide consultation on that. And the next thing is sales funnel. If they are selling their products online, there is a process to sell the products online. So it is also one of the best skill to learn, that if you master that how sales funnel work. And if you want to learn how sales funnel work, you can join the challenge One Funnel Away, and you will find the link for that in the description. So the next thing is that how you can learn these skills. The best way to learn these skills is from Skillshare or YouTube. Just don't when you are just getting started, you don't need to buy any course. You can just learn from free resources. And if you want to be focused and want to learn the skill that is trending right now and the skill that is huge in demand in the market, you can join One Funnel Away challenge. It's amazing. It will tell you that how sales funnel work, and nowadays sales funnels are huge in demand. And if you just understand the process of sales funnel, you can also implement the website strategy, and you can start consulting on that. All right, so the next thing is that once if you have decided the service that you are going to provide, once if you have chosen the category and you are learning your skills, then the next thing you need is you need to represent your consulting service on a website or a landing page. For website, there are many free resources to create website on the internet. You can if you're just getting started, you can just create a website on Wix, or if you want to go more simple, you can create a simple landing page. And for landing page, there are many free softwares on the internet, and there are paid software on the internet as well. So you can join any software and you can create a page for the service that you are providing. When you are creating your website or your landing page for your consulting service, you have to keep this thing in your mind that you are not here to sell anything. You are here to solve the problem for your clients, and keeping this thing in mind, you have to put everything on the website, that you are only here to solve the problem of your client. So if you will think this way, then you will attract many clients towards your service. All right, so the next thing is that once all of your things are ready, now how you can find the clients. This is the best part. It is very easy to find clients, and there are many companies who are struggling to take their business online. The only thing they are lacking is a good advice. So you only have to focus on improving your skills. Whatever category you have chosen, just try to master the skills in that category. And then when you are going to find your clients, firstly you have to choose just one niche that you are going to serve. Let's suppose you are going to serve only dentists or only real estate. Just only stick to this one niche. When you are choosing your niche, you also have to keep this thing in your mind that choose a niche that has talented and creative people. So if you will choose a niche that has talented and creative people, then you can easily charge high price for the consulting services that you are offering. And to get your first client, start with Google search and search for the small businesses that are around you in your niche. And one of the best way to find businesses is, let's suppose you are going to choose real estate niche. I'm just going to search for real estate directory New York. Okay, so here is the directory, and these are the people who are running real estate businesses. So when you're just getting started, you have to approach the client. So you can start with cold emails. So whatever niche you will choose, just search for the directories in any city, the city you want to target, the location you want to target, and search for directories. And in directories you will easily find their details. So let's suppose here is Lilian, and I'm just going to click his profile. So you will see that here is the email, and then there is a phone number. So once, if your website is ready, if your website is representing your service in a right way, then what you can do is you can start sending cold emails, and cold emails are very powerful. And another thing you can do over here is you can visit their website and see that which type of business they are doing. All right, so here is their website, and they're doing a good job, but still they need improvement. So one of the good thing they can do is like the front page is good, but there are too many things over here in the front page. It's not focused. If you will learn marketing, then you will understand that how you can actually serve them, improve their business. And another thing on their website is that it's not secure. So they don't have any SSL certificate on their website. So you can approach them and you can tell them that your website don't have SSL certificate, and you can also improve your website by making it focused to convert more clients into sales. So these are good talented clients, and if you are helping them improve their sales, if you are helping them improve their website, so what you can do is you can charge them higher price easily, because they're already making too much money, and you can help them improve their business. So they are winning, you are winning, and at the end of the day, the only thing matter in the business is the win condition. And if there's a win condition in the business, like you are winning, your clients are winning, then it's an amazing business model. So in the directories you will find thousands of people, thousands of businesses very easily. You can easily approach them, but you need to have the knowledge in the niche that you want to serve. All right, so if you want to start your consulting business online, you can join my free masterclass by clicking the link below this video. And if the information in this video was helpful, give me thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can simply comment below. And thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe. See you soon.